Hello. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you, in case you are in a position I once experienced when I left my 9-to-5 job. I didn't have any soft landing, that is, a firm plan of going forward, meeting my financial responsibilities, and making sure that life continued. I was inadequately prepared, and imagine I was an over 50. If you are in that position, or you are over 50, you are unprepared, or you are still wondering what is going to happen, this video is for you, because I would like to take you through my experience, the steps that assisted me to get out of a hole. And it was a hole. Stay with me until the end of this video. I'm Linda, in case we haven't met before. I would wake up in the morning and start stressing and wondering about when the next payment is going to be coming through. Then, after a few days, I realized that my mind was just a swelling storm of thoughts, worries, and anxieties, and I decided I needed to get my life in order. So, the first thing that came to my mind, it just came to my mind, was I needed to wake up every morning with a why. Why am I up? What am I going to build? What am I going to do? What am I going to learn to empower myself and look at a bright future? It was just a question. I wanted to wake up with a why. So I'm going to be taking you through that, because it is very important to wake up knowing why you are waking up. If you go to bed with simple questions. What did I learn today? Who did I help? What will I build tomorrow? Those three questions helped me quite a lot to stabilize myself and literally quieten the thoughts of anxiety, because I ordered my thoughts. I learned to wake up in the morning knowing that it was important to plan my day one step at a time. I started by doing something very simple. Instead of diving for caffeine, I would hydrate. I would spend quiet moments and jot down what I wanted to do. And the next thing, I would get out of the house and just walk. Gradually, I enjoyed the morning routine. I also enjoyed ordering my steps one day at a time, when I became very calm, confident, and I started thinking clearly and getting excited about the fact that I was out of a 9-to-5 job, that I had the brilliant opportunity of starting afresh, reigniting my life, claiming my time, and just realizing that I was actually repurposing my life, which is going to be the next point. I am then going to be sharing with you how I repurposed my life when I left formal employment. And I do hope that there will be a takeaway. Do stay with me, because the results are brilliant, and I can guarantee that in my next video, you will also be part of this conversation. Now, I had to repurpose my life. I realized that I was fortunate to be opening the next chapter of an exciting, a fulfilling, a repurposed, and free life, actually. So, what I did, I registered for a course with Modern Wealthy. It was a 12-month course, very intense. And the good thing is, one thing left to another. I learned a lot, and I became very excited about being curious about many things and being excited about learning technology because I was not technologically savvy. I became excited about the fact that even if I didn't know something, I would do research, I would phone people, I would try and fail, get frustrated, and go back as I was designing my website. And I do invite you to visit my website because today I am an affiliate with LaunchU, and visit the lindazama.com, which is my website, and you will enjoy that because I also invite you, if you would like a soft landing, get involved with affiliate marketing. LaunchU has a beautiful and an intense program, but it brought me where I am today. So I repurpose my life from being a professional, a lawyer, a former teacher, to being an entrepreneur. I am a digital entrepreneur. Here am I am talking to you today. Last year, at the beginning of last year, I could barely make a video. And today, I am exposed to a big global community because I am talking to you, and I do hope that my sharing is also going to add a spark of inspiration, a spark of hope, and the fact that reigniting your life, even if you are above 60 or 70, is exciting because aging does not necessarily mean that you even age intellectually or emotionally. Physically, yes, you may become a bit weak. However, even that, depending on what you do to your body, looking after it, life continues and it becomes very exciting. Now, the third very, very important lesson I learned when I left my 9-to-5 job, it was isolation doesn't help, particularly, if you work on your own and you work digitally. So community, being part of a digital community of like-minded people helped me quite a lot because that is when we used to share information, interact, share tips, encourage one another, and it helped quite a lot. It helped me so much that I have grown a community that goes far beyond the borders of my country. You are in the United Kingdom and I'm talking to you. You are in America, I'm talking to you. You are in Germany, you are in India, you are in Russia, you are in Iran, you are in the top of Africa. I'm talking to you because I have become part of a big community, a global community, and you are part of that global community. So it is exciting to be part of a community, and a community I would never have met, a community I would never have been part of had I not been part of YouTube. So YouTube for me has opened so many exciting avenues. I invite you to consider being excited about YouTube, utilizing it to your advantage and to the advantage of the people you are going to be interacting with. So, the last lesson I learned, it was to wake up in the morning and just observe my thoughts, feel my feelings, and it then became clear to me that when I was tense and I was anxious about where is the money going to be coming from, I was blocking the money. And when I relaxed and opened up and just allowed life to flow, it was like lifting the curtain to allow opportunities to come through, and come through they did. Today, I have a flourishing coaching program. I get invited to speaking engagements, and I've started writing books, and I do invite you to visit my website. There is my favorite, the first book I wrote, that is, it is in honor of Nelson Mandela. And I have also published an ebook on affiliate marketing. I would not have done that when I was still tense. So when I started relaxing, the opportunities, the ideas, the strategies, the nudgings, they just happened, and money started flowing. So what I'm saying is, don't be hard on yourself. Relax. Don't be so obsessed about money that you block it. Just allow life to happen as it happened to me. I wouldn't be sharing this if I was not convinced that I am adding value to your life. If you find this video helpful, remember to press the like button. Do subscribe and do share this video, because I would like to grow this channel, and I do look forward to being with you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.